JC Hill Place is a good condominium situated on Jet Yod area. It's really close to Nimman and the city. It's really nice for investment or stay because there are a lot of the building have many shop and restaurant for you. That is the good choice for you. Hello everyone, today you meet me Preaw Perfect Homes again, and today I'm here at JC Hill. I would like to recommend this room to you. This room is on 10th floor, the corner room with the size 30.55 square meter, and this building have a CCTV for you. It's really safe for you. The area is on the Jet Yod area and close to Canal Road, close to Chiang Mai University, close to Mayor Mall, close to the Nimman, and close to Ram Hospital. It's really good for investment. Do you want to see inside? Let's go. Yes, and now we are inside the room, and I would like to show about my left hand. The left hand is the kitchen zone. They have the built-in for you with the wood, and they have a storage here, and for the sink for washing here, under here is storage as well. And the top of the sink is made from the granite, and here this is the electric stove and hood for you. And also for the fridge for you also. And they also have a storage here. You can keep many things inside here. And on my right hand, I would like to show you the toilet. They also have a part of wet and dry for you. So, and the wall, at the wall they decorate by the granite for you, and with the warm light and the light make it this room is bright. And they also have a big mirror here, and the sink with the white color. And let's see the other part. For the first part, when you're coming in here, you will see the table with the 2 seats for you. It's include this. And they also have a closet for you also with the built-in decorate from the wood, and also have everything you can keep here. This side, this, and they also have a mirror around the room. You can see the mountain view also. Let's see the other part. Yes, and the room, they also have the queen size bed for you, and they also have a big television for you with the 1 air condition. And this is a small balcony. You can hang your clothes here, and the facing of the balcony is west. For coming for this path, if you have a small table or some chair here, you can put it here, make this zone to be the work zone. And they also have a mountain view for you also. It's really nice view. And I would like to talk about this room again. For this room, it with the size 30.55 square meter. It's on the 10th floor and the corner room. This building is really good for security. They also have a CCTV for you, and Jet Yod is close to Nimman and close to the Chiang Mai University, Lam Hospital, and Maya Mall. If you want to see this room, please contact me here. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my full video. Thank you for your time. Bye.